The third generation Bionic Hand is a multifunctional, fully developed prosthesis. To turn it on, you need to activate two switches. Additionally, there is a cable for charging. At the bottom you will find a screen displaying crucial information. The prosthesis is controlled by the electromyography sensor, which must be attached to the user's skin surface. This sensor in real time maps the natural muscle activity into movement of bionic hand's finger. The response time is insane. Without problems we can hold some objects. When it is necessary to have very precise control, you can manually adjust the bionic hand with a potentiometer. In such a way, it's possible to hold everything. User safety is extremely important. That's why we have an emergency red button. When it's deactivated, we can come back to normal operation mode. Additionally, the normal finger can be replaced with a special finger ending. Therefore, we can obtain new functionalities, such as screwdriver bits, tweezers, or scalpel blade. The bionic hand can be easily damaged by holding hot objects, but you can stay relaxed. A contactless temperature sensor integrated with illumination system will inform you about the object's temperature with suitable color. Blue for cold and red for hot.